Uy pre, narinig niyo ba yung tungkol sa RA 10530?
Yung 10530? Ano yun? Parang Red Cross volunteers daw, di ba?
Oo, yung batas na nagbibigay proteksyon at pagkilala sa mga Red Cross volunteers.
Tara, alamin natin ang ibig sabihin ng Republic Act 10530. Republic Act 10530. Officially called the Philippine Red Cross Volunteer. It was passed to recognize the vital roles of Red Cross volunteers in terms of disaster and emergencies.
Ginawa ang batas na ito dahil volunteers are always on the front line. Whether sa rescue operation, relief distribution, blood donation, or even health services. Isa pa ang mahalagang parte ng batas na ito ay protection. If you are a student or employee and you are called on official Red Cross duty, hindi ka dapat pwedeng parusahan for being absent.
This means na-excuse ka sa class or work kapag may officially Red Cross activity ka. No school and companies are not allowed to penalize or deduct rate and salary.
Another purpose of this law is encouragement. When the volunteers know they are supported and protected by the law, mas madali sila nakakapagbigay ng oras at effort.
RA 10330 also highlights that the Red Cross is an auxiliary to the government in humanitarian service. Pero it remains neutral and independent, kaya nakakatulong sila sa lahat. Kahit anong race, religion, or background.
Another purpose of this law is encouragement kasi when volunteers know they are supported and protected by law, mas madali silang makakapagbigay ng oras at effort.
The more trained volunteers we have, the faster and more effective the response.
In short, RA 10530 ensured that Red Cross volunteers are recognized, protected, and motivated to continue helping people in need. Kaya malinaw na ang RA 10530 is really about giving protection and recognition to Red Cross volunteers.
Dahil dito, mas kapag sila tumulong sa oras sa sakuna at pangangailangan.
Yan ang kahalagahan ng Republic Act 10530.